Okay, besties. I just found the ultimate hidden treasure on AliExpress, and I am not gatekeeping this one. If you're into bold, edgy, trendy rings that make a statement without making your wallet cry, you need to hear me out. So get this. I stumbled across this 30-piece ring set. Yes, you heard that right. 30 freaking rings for under the price of one venti Starbucks drink. Like how? I was shook when I saw the listing. These aren't just any basic rings either. We're talking a full mix of big floral cutouts, skulls, yes, skulls, spiders, snakes, leaves, love symbols, and all sorts of fun, quirky animal shapes. It's giving Y2K vibes meets dark academia meets cottagecore, all in one little bag. The set comes with mixed sizes, from 15 mm to 19 mm, so you can wear them on different fingers. Or stack them for that full-on, I have my life together and also know my astrology sign kind of look. Some of the rings are chunky and loud, some are sleek and minimal. It's literally a style buffet. The metal is a lightweight alloy, so it's super comfy to wear all day without turning your fingers green. I've been testing them. Zero Hulk hands so far. And the designs? Seriously, they look like something you'd find at Urban Outfitters or Free People, but for a fraction of the cost. Like, we love a budget-friendly sleigh.